Hi, beautiful people. Let's try this head wrap together. Let's go. So we're going to get our head wrap and get it divided into two equal parts. After division, you're going to make some pleats, like 4 or 5 pleats. Then, after making the pleats, it is now time to place on a head. Please follow how I'm going to do this. I've already made the pleats, so I'm going to place from the back of my head, right? So this is it. I'm placing it from the back of my head towards the front, where I'll be working with the hairs that are left at the front. So I'll make sure I adjust the pleated part already. So I'm going to come to the front and take right to left and left to right by turning them. So once I'm done, I'll take one part and secure with my shoulder or my chin, either of the two. So that's how the back looks. If you have your hair, you can pull out, but I don't have, I'll be covering it up. So I'm going to pick up one of the excess at the front and make rough pleats all through. I'm going to make rough pleats down every time. I'm going to make it rough pleats. So look at my hand. So I'm done making the rough pleats, and it's time for me to just fold. I just fold it like this. So I place it there and I pick up the other part and make rough pleats. As I'm placing it on it, I'm making like a pleat on it as well, and I continue arrange till the end of the fabric. So the excess, I'm going to dip it in at this side. Can we see? I'm going to dip it in like this. So I'll use my hand to adjust everything, and I'm holding it firmly so that it won't get scattered. So I'm going to pick one of the pleated parts with the remaining fabric and secure it with office pin. So I'm going to go to the other side to place it well, pick one of the pleated parts with the rolled parts and secure it. So make sure you secure properly. This is the first secure by putting office pin with the pleated part. So I'll go for the second round, pick it again and secure. What I do on my right, I'll do it to the left side. So I'm still on securing. Make sure you secure it, and you yourself, you feel that it is well secured and firm on your head. It is very, very necessary. So I'm done with securing, and I'm going to go to the back, adjust the pleated part properly so that it will not be rough, and I'll cover my mid part up like this, and I need another face pin to secure it. So I'll go for pin now and get it secured. So once I'm done securing like this, I'll go to the back and give it final adjustment, and this is the final outlook, guys. What do you think? It's quite simple. 2 minutes head wrap for any occasion, church, any party. Rock it there. This is the back, guys. Lay your hands on it and try it. Share this video. Follow for more and give it a like. I'll see you in my next video. Till then, remain blessed.